Breaking news. AGF Malami, a serious threat to our legal system. Hello, my wonderful people. Um, Malami, we all know, is not just a threat, is a serious threat to the legal system of Nigeria because he wants to have his way. A man that is dubious, a man that is malicious, a man that, does things in such a way that pleases him, irrespective of what happens to others. He cares less. Okay, he poses a serious threat. This man himself, our attorney general, and has never been investigated with all the allegations levied against him. As a matter of fact, the very unit for which he stands as the attorney general accuses him. Okay, and as we speak, we know that Nigerian Bar Association is watching him and there is a case against him, and it's not been able to adequately, analyze and tell Nigerians what exactly is going on or what he's up to, what he's doing. You see, these are some of the things going on. And NBA is saying these guys pose a serious threat to the judiciary system in Nigeria. This is what Buhari has done to cleverly put himself and his own people in this position. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. AGF Malami, a serious threat to our legal system. Speaking just before me at the second Shaka International and Security Summit last July, Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, pointed that our constitution rights do not extend to cautioning mayhem and urged Nigerian youth to work towards uniting our country, not destroying it. Speaking after him, I pointed out that the best teacher is an example. If leaders do not live by what they preach, then their lecture on our constitution duties are not to be reckoned with. So many empty words, but no reaction. I was reminded of this exchange following the action of the AGF recently. Sadly, he has lately been bizarre practicing extra opposition of what he preaches by choosing to elevate his personal interest over the nation's interest. During the unnecessary back and forth over amendment of Electoral Act, Malami is suspected of being behind Buhari's nullification heat picking. After rejecting the bill 5 times, citing such example as the cause of the election, insecurity, drafting errors, and proximity to date of election, Buhari finally gave his assent. But even as he signed, he called on Section 84, subsection 12 of the bill to be expunged, calling it unconstitutional. Section 84 says that no political appointee at any level should be voting delegates or voted for at the convention or congresses at any political party for the purpose of nomination of candidates for any election. The president urged that the amount of discriminatory inhabitable restrictions on political appointees be taken away. He further muted the waters by saying that this section consideration in this section of the and it contradicts the constitution, questioning those in public office to resign at least 30 days before the election they plan to contest, therefore interfering into law directly and by into the constitution. Buhari's arguments are deeply flooded and flaws. Those in public sectors are civil servants, according to Section 318 of the Constitution, not political appointee. The civil servant is characterized by rules, principles, anatomy, and neutrality. By constant political appointees is short-lived public office, and this is peasant politics. Thus, political appointees are not covered by the 30-day rules. Since political appointees are not covered by these public service rules of the Constitution, the National Assembly has the power to legitimately restructure that what will apply to them. Thus, the National Assembly was right to reject the president's call for them to remove Section 12, Section 84, subsection 12. But Buhari believed that the public service means all those working for the government. Then he should have resigned at least 30 days before the 2019 election. because that was, if he's following by that very rule, which he did not. So you see, the Attorney General of the Federation is putting his own personal interest before the nation. As a matter of fact, this man is one of the most controversial figure we've had in Nigeria in most recent times. One of the most controversial personalities to have graced the occasion of being appointed into such an elevated position. This man has destroyed this nation in no small way. And right now, even the judiciary is worried about who he is, what he stands for. Okay, and guess what? This is Buhari right-hand man. If you look at it very cleverly, you can see, you can practically, when they say, connect the dots. This is who Buhari is. It's a reflection of what his government, his administration is given. It's exactly what Buhari is, nothing more, nothing less. The Attorney General wants to become Kebbi State Governor, and as a result, is doing everything humanly possible to ensure that such favors him. Okay, and such favors him. So he's doing everything he possibly can to ensure that he's not, the new constitution does not, does not take him out of that position. He doesn't want to resign. He still wants to be there, and he still wants to eat his cake and have it. These are the people Buhari appointing to office. He wants to eat his cake and still at the same time possess the cake in his very own hands. He wants to eat it, then have it. You see? And funny enough is that they know what they are doing. Most of them are the same people. They know exactly what they are doing. They know exactly, they work together seamlessly in synergy. So this is why the country is in no small way, destroyed, so to say. For lack of words, there is nothing particular tangible coming out of this administration because of the following persons we have in government. These persons and these people, Attorney General and the rest of them, have nothing good for Nigeria or Nigerians. And all they do is things to favor them. And if it does not favor them, then there goes the tantrum. So you can see why Nigeria is the way it is today. Look at the person Buhari made APC consensus candidate for, for NWC APC chairman. The person has EFCC court case on him. And guess what, in case you are not aware, just very recently now, the court is saying that presidency said he's forgiven and that there is no court case against him and that he is now repentant. So these are the things we are experiencing every single day. And then you tell me that Nigeria is changed or is going to change? Never. Unless go by some miracles. It will change, but by some miracle. Leave us a comment. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye for now.